We're gonna cook some feta. You have a little bit of oregano and thyme left, and if you don't, you can use dry. Pile together one little palmful of the two of them combined and chop them. And you're gonna sprinkle this over your feta cheese on your little metal tray. Olive oil for sure. And pepper, red or black or both, sure. It's gonna get roasted in the grill with the lid down until it turns brown. And if you're cooking inside, if you're cooking in the oven, you would put the rack in the middle of the oven and turn the broiler on high and leave this in the oven until the cheese is brown and you're done. So we're gonna put the feta cheese in to roast. Close that lid, babe.
Let's check the cheese. Woo!
The cheese you just cut into big old chunks with a sharp knife. Next thing we're gonna do is make our tzatziki sauce. So we have that bowl with our Greek yogurt base in it. I use 1/2 of a cucumber, peeled and grated. A teeny tiny, like 3/4 to a scant teaspoon, little tiny bit of cumin.
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna add the juice of a lemon.
The whole lemon, right?
Yeah.
You know what my favorite part of the tzatziki is the dill. I always add a little too much, a little more dill than I'm supposed to.
Yeah, put in a fat handful. I agree with you. A whole load of dill and mint.
Yes.
Mint. And there's your tzatziki.
Do you see mine?
Look at you. So now we're going to take our tomato. Did you already dice yours?
Yes, ma'am.
You're so far ahead of me, Bob.
My tomatoes are all diced.
My goodness. Okay, so I have a little bit of onion, 1 large tomato, a big old fat handful of parsley, and some more cucumber, and chop your Kalamata olives, Bob, and add them all together. Oh. And then dress it with lemon juice and olive oil. You're way ahead.
Oh, I didn't chop my Kalamatas.
All right, chop them. And throw everything all in the bowl. Dress it with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. We have our relish in a dish.